Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's see the recipe for strawberry jelly filled bread roll. The ingredients we need for this recipe are wheat flour 1.5 cups and all-purpose flour 1.5 cups, 1 egg, butter half cup, sugar half cup, salt half teaspoon, milk 1 cup, dry yeast 1.5 teaspoons. First, let's add the egg to a container and whisk it. I'm going to take about half tablespoon of egg to brush on the bread roll. Now let's add milk, sugar, yeast and salt and mix it and let it rest for about 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes. Now we can add butter and flour and mix it. Add small amounts of flour at a time. I'm going to use my hand and knead the dough. We can use extra flour if the dough is. I'm going to sprinkle some flour on the cutting board and knead the dough for about 8 minutes. This is ready. Brush a container with oil and place the dough in the container, cover it and let it rest for about 1.5 to 2 hours. It's been 2 hours and the dough has doubled in size. Press it to remove the air in the dough. Sprinkle some flour on the cutting board and I'm going to knead the dough for 2 minutes. I'm going to make 2 bread rolls, so I'm going to cut this into 2 halves. Let's roll 1 half with the rolling pin. Cut the edges to make a rectangular shape. Cut the top portion as shown in the video. Add a good amount of strawberry jelly or jam on the bottom portion. I'm going to roll this from the bottom of the dough. Cover the baking pan with parchment paper. Place the roll in the baking pan and gently press the edges. Add 1 tablespoon of milk to the egg and mix it and then brush this on the roll. Let it rest for 15 minutes. In the meantime, we can preheat the oven for 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake this for about 30 to 35 minutes or until it's cooked. I just got this out of the oven. Now we can brush this with butter. We don't need to have an oven to bake this. We can use any thick container or pressure cooker. Please check my previous video to bake without an oven. This is a very tasty recipe. Try this and post your comments. And also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. And if you like this video, please share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.